What up, y'all? Back with another one today. Y'all remember I was telling y'all about how I want some ceramic coat spray to put on this car. So guess what? My prayers been answered. ShineArmor came through. They reached out to me. And they want me to try their product. So hey, let's see what it's like. So first off, we're gonna take everything out the package here. See what we got. There's the product right there. As you can see, this how it come packaged. They also sent out 2 cloths, microfiber cloth. And so I washed the car yesterday. Only thing I've done just shined the tires, and that's pretty much it. No waxing or nothing. Don't worry about my stripes. Don't worry about these be gone soon. Pretty much all the equipment right there. So this is the graphene ceramic spray. This is what it looks like. This is everything on the back right here. They tell you how to use it, everything like that, warnings and everything. Keep away from your eyes and stuff like that. So we're gonna test this product out. All right, opening up the spray. You can see, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but that's it inside. Let me give it a smell test. It actually smells pretty good. Not that bad. Overall, the bottle looks pretty neat. So let's see how it sprays. So what I'm gonna do one side ceramic coat and do the other side. Just leave that normal for right now. So this to test it out. Throw that up there. Put it on the microfiber tire real quick. Oh, and also they said if you spray this on, it's supposed to slide. So right now, it's supposed to just slide on its own. But right now, it's really not sliding. So we're gonna see if that's true. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the spray. As it said, put it on the tile first. Open the microfiber tile up. And use the outside of the tile portion first. Go ahead and spray it. Oh, forgot to open up the nozzle. Oh, it actually got a little thing right here, so you can cut it on. You got the off button right here. You can cut it off. You got the on button. That's actually pretty neat. That's a pretty neat bottle. All right, so we're gonna spray. All right, put it on. There we go. We're just gonna spray a little bit on the tile here, and then we're gonna wipe a small area. Like I said, we're just wiping the stripe. We're gonna try it, and then we're gonna try this area after that. Said buff on it. It's actually going on pretty good. No smears. I like that. No smears on it. Then I'm gonna flip the tile over here. Gonna use our dry side. And we're gonna pretty much buff it onto it. All right, so this is the side that don't have it, and it's not sliding. So let's see. Oh, bruh. No lie, it works. Let's do the same side over here. No slide. Even if you put it right here, it just falls over. No slide. So yeah. Matter of fact, it's right there. It's right there. And spray a little on this tile and do that area. Ain't no lie. I'm I'm gonna use the dry side of the towel. I actually could have used the other towel to dry, but I'm gonna save that towel. So we gonna buff that on. Let's do the slide test. Bruh, come on. So we're gonna get ready to do this water test. Got the cup of water right here. Let's see if it really protecting. This side has the ShineArmor protected. That part of the stripe don't. So first we're gonna start off with this stripe right here and go from there. Let's see how the water run off it. Pretty much sticking to it. Have it. As you can see, the water sticking to it. But let's do this side with the that has the water on it. I mean, that has the ShineArmor product on it. So y'all ready? Here we go. Look how it just rolls right off, and it's just beating right off. That is crazy. Look at that. The water just beat right off, and like overall, y'all, this product is freaking awesome. See how it's on there? And right there, how it just still sticking to it. And right here, it really not. Come on, man. That's crazy. It just beads right off. This window has ShineArmor protected, as you can see, and this window don't. So we're gonna put water on it. Come on. You see that window? Now watch this one. ShineArmor just bead right off. You can also, y'all wanna know what it do, can you put this on with water on the car? So it's a prime example. Let's go ahead and test it out. Put a little bit on the towel right there. Let's get ready to spray it. Wipe it on. So this is why water is on the car. Remember it said it doesn't supposed to be exposed to the elements and stuff like that. You gotta wait a little. So let's go ahead and do that with this on the car. And just beading right off. I didn't even put a lot on it, and that was with water. That was with water on the window. It ain't sticking like it was before. It's just beading right off. Real time, no fast forwarding and nothing like that. So I give that a thumbs up. Make sure you go pick up yourself some. Link is in the description. Y'all gonna get that discount code from me. I'm telling you, it's worth it. Go ahead, pick yourself up a bottle. See y'all on the next one.